Alright, so will be the elevator at the green parking garage. This is the green parking garage. So the other one must have been the yellow garage or something. But this one's the green one. Sorry guys, I'm still learning about the malls here in Dallas, as I'm still brand new to the Metroplex. So forgive me if I put any misinformation in my videos. If you want. There's buttons on this side too. Let's go back to this side. Let's get off at 3. I saw a golf cart on B1, so I'm not going to get off there. I don't want to get busted. Montgomery from the 90s, very basic parking garage elevator. We're going to get off here.